How to change the keyboard touch and hold delay time duration on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. Then in here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. And then we go down. So scroll down and then tap on swipe, touch, and feedback. From here, tap on keyboard touch and hold delay. Then you can change the time duration from short to medium to long, or you can you can tap on custom to set your custom time. So here we can tap and hold to set a custom time, and then tap on saved, and that's it. So select one of the available options and then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.